Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the new Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D printer. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a high-quality 3D printer suitable for beginners and experts alike, known for its precision, speed, and ease of use. It features a safe design that contains no high-concern chemicals, making it appropriate for schools, homes, and offices. The printer offers precision printing with a slice thickness of 0.1 to 0.4 mm and a printing accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 mm. It can print at speeds of 200-300 mm/s, with a maximum speed of 600 mm per second. Wi-Fi connectivity enables wireless printing and remote operation. The auto-leveling function calibrates the print surface automatically. The user interface supports several languages, enhancing accessibility. The printer is compatible with various operating systems, reaching nozzle temperatures up to 280 degrees Celsius and a heated bed temperature of 110 degrees Celsius, allowing for diverse filament use. It has interchangeable nozzles and a generous build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 mm. The printer supports multiple file formats and slicing software, features a robust power supply, includes a USB interface for direct file transfer, and is CE certified for safety. It uses reliable FDM technology for strong prototypes. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.